Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Vidnoz AI. First of all, you will have to open the browser. Then from there, you will have to type in Vidnoz AI, hit enter. And from there, go to the website. Now, once you made yourself an account, you will be at the home page right here. And on the left side right here, you have templates. Just click on them. Now in here, you will have different pre-made templates that you can use for creating your videos. And just scroll down to see and select different types of pre-made templates right here. Now you can also filter them out by just clicking on these buttons right here. This explainer ones, tutorials, how to, education ones, just click on them and education related templates will be shown right here. And you can also choose between the aspect ratios, landscape and portrait. I'm just gonna leave it to landscape, let's say. Now down below here you have the avatars window, just click on it. Now in here you will have different avatars that will be the talking characters of your video. You can select them from this window right here. You can just scroll down and you will have different avatars to use in your video right here. You can choose the one that you like and you want in your video. For example, this one, the HR commissioner, the business related one, the dress related one, and the marketing specialist right here. Now if you like an avatar, you can just click on it and it will show you the preview. Display it.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to high quality video.
So here was the preview. You can watch full as well. Now you can edit this avatar as well. Just click on this edit button right here. You can change the point of view of this avatar. You can go for a circular frame, a kind of a rectangular frame, and the full body shot as well. Now you can also change the accent of this avatar by just clicking on this button right here and selecting from these different accents right here. And you can also adjust the talking speed of this avatar by just clicking on these buttons right here. I'm just gonna leave it at 1, let's say. And after that, you can also save these changes by just clicking on this save as my avatar. Now let's just create a video. I'm just gonna go for this avatar. Just click on this create video with this avatar and select an aspect ratio, portrait, square, or landscape. I'm just gonna go for landscape, let's say. Now after that, you will be in the video editor of Vidnoz AI. You can also change the avatar from this button right here. Just click on it and you can select from different avatars right here. You can also add text to your video by just clicking on this text button right here and selecting different text from here. You can also add shapes to your video from these given shapes right here, and you can also add a background which will be important for your video. For example, let's say I'm gonna go for let me go for a business one. Just click on it. This one, let's say I'm just gonna click on it and that would be added right here. Just move my character a bit to the side. You can also add stickers to your videos, and you can also add videos and images which you can also upload of your own. You can upload your own images by just clicking on this upload window right here, and you can also do the same for videos as well. You can do the same with music as well. You can upload your own or go for the default ones right here. Now down below here, this is where you will put in your text that this character will speak. You can also go for an AI script. Just click on this AI script right here and select from these options. Create a dash video script. I'm going to go for a professional video script. In here, select the language. I'm just going to leave it at English, about. And in here, you will have to type in what your video is about. For example, I'm just going to go for e-commerce course, let's say. And after that, just scroll down and click on generate script. So here the script has been generated. You can scroll down from here and you can also modify it. You can shorten it, expand it, rephrase it, or you can also change the style of the script from here. Now after you're done with the script, just click on this apply button right here and that script will be put right here. You can also enable or disable subtitles right here. And you can also go for a no speech video in which there will be no speech and avatars just a video showing with some text and random scenes. Now you can also add different scenes as well as transitions between the scenes that you add. You can do so by just clicking on this plus button right here and creating a blank one. And you can do the same with the second scene as well. Now if you're done creating your video, you will have to click on this generate button right here and your video will be exported. Now let's just go back to the home page. Now you can also clone your own voice which you can use in your videos. Just click on this clone voice button right here. And when you clone your voice, just click on this clone my voice now. Now in here you will have to record your voice, or you can also upload a file that has a recording in it already. And after that, just scroll down and click on next and your voice will be cloned within some time. You can also create your own avatar in the similar fashion by just clicking on this avatars window right here. After that, clicking on this plus button right here above create custom avatar. Just click on it. Now after that, you will be in this page right here. After that, just scroll down and click on create my custom avatar. Now in here, you will have to capture and upload a speech video that satisfies these conditions right here that are given by Vidnoz AI. Upload the video by just clicking on this upload video right here. Now after you uploaded your video, you will have to click on next here. After that, they will ask for your consent, and after that your avatar will be created which you can use in your own videos. Now you can also upgrade your plan for better features by just clicking on this upgrade window right here, and you can get a plan according to your needs and desires. So that's from it, and that's how to use Vidnoz AI. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.